How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we are going to be doing a push-up workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurg999. So the exercise that we're going to do today is going to be diamond push-ups. These are an amazing exercise for your tricep growth. So if you're trying to build big triceps, diamond push-ups really works. For some reason, my wrists, when I do diamond push-ups, I gotta go pretty wide because I have super long arms. If you have shorter arms, you can go a little bit closer, but I go a little bit wider because my arms are longer. We're only gonna do 5 reps. We'll do 10 sets, 50 total repetitions. This is plenty. This is, I would say it's an advanced exercise. It's not super advanced, but it is a little bit harder than the basic exercises. So we're only gonna do 5 reps. I apologize if you guys wanna do more. If you wanna do more, you're watching this, do 10 reps. You can do whatever you want, just follow me. Let's get started. So again, diamond push-ups. My hand placement, again, it's gonna be a little bit wider than some people, and it's gonna be like this. So I'll go a little bit farther so you guys can see. It's gonna be just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that, you guys. Nice 5 repetitions. A good thing that I didn't do 10 because I've already done a chest fat workout today, which is basically just a push-up workout. And I did 5 reps too, I think 5 or 10. So this will be 100 reps already for push-ups. And I've done this is my 8th video of the day. So one more video, 9, and then I take a little break for 6-7 hours, and I come back, I do another 6 to 9 videos. So it's very tough to come back and do more videos. I don't know why. It's tough after you've done like 2 to 3 hours per day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very tough in my opinion. But again, I quit schooling. I'm not doing schooling, so it allows me to do 8 hours of YouTube as opposed to doing 8 hours of schooling. And again, there was a reason for me quitting schooling. I was failing for the last 4 months, and I hated doing the course. After the first month, I just hated it. Like the first month wasn't too bad. The second month sucked. Third month sucked, and then after that, it got really bad. Like I dreaded doing it. Like I super dreaded doing it. So yeah, it's just not good. And yeah, that's behind me now. I'm gonna focus on my YouTube a little bit more and just kill it. Just keep killing it, you guys. My goal, something that I've been really hoping to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. My goal right now, last month or this month, I got 1.4 million views on my channel, so that's a lot of views. Like that's really good. What I am trying to do is I want to double that. I want to get 2.8 to 3 million views per month on my channel. So that's gonna be a little bit tough to get, but I definitely think it's possible, especially with the video frequency that I'm doing and the quality that I'm making, and considering that it's workout tutorials. I really think that's possible. My goal for subscribers, it was 200,000, I think I said at the start of January, which now seems super easy. Like I'm easily gonna beat that just because I'm averaging 10,000 subscribers per month. And again, this video is being made end of March 28th or 29th. Sorry, this video is being uploaded on March 28th or 29th. Today is only January 26th. So when you guys are watching this video, I'm at 150,000 now. When you're watching this video, I'm probably sitting at about 166, 170,000 subs. So for me to hit 200,000 subscribers is only going to take an extra 3 months. So if this is end of March, April, May, June, by June I should have 200,000. I'd like to hit 300,000 by the end of the year. My goal is 200,000, so I'm gonna smoke that goal, no problem. 250 would be sweet, but I really like if I could get 300,000. Like, in my opinion, like eventually I want to be YouTube famous. A lot of people think I'm YouTube famous right now because I have 150,000 subs. I think YouTube famous is when you have about 500,000. If you got 500,000, I think you're pretty well known. And you're doing pretty damn good in my opinion. But some people think it's 1 million. I asked a couple of my friends and they think 1 million. So I mean, if my channel keeps going the way it is, by end of 2020 hit 300,000 subs, by the end of 2021 I'd like to have 700,000 subs, and by the end of 2022 I'd like to have 1 million subs. That's pretty lofty goals, but I 100% think it's possible. The thing is, once you start gaining traction on YouTube, your channel kind of just skyrockets. And I've seen YouTubers, fitness YouTubers too, not really fitness YouTubers. There's been a few fitness YouTubers, but it's mainly like other YouTubers that in 1 month, actually I've seen a couple of fitness YouTubers that in like 1 month, they can go from like 2 million views per month to like 12 million views per month. And their subscribers go from like 10,000 to 150,000 subs in a month. So the potential for your channel to go like this is absolutely freaking insane. Like it's mind-boggling. So at any time, your channel can just take off and you can get hundreds and hundreds of thousand subs in a couple of months. So I definitely think it's possible. A lot of people have been saying like, oh, your channel deserves 1 million subs, your channel deserves 1 million subs. It will get there. The thing with me is that I do not stop. Like I will not stop until if I have a goal, like I will not stop. Like it's insane no matter what happens. 1, 2. So when I first started this channel, you have no idea how many people made fun of me for doing this. Just so many people, because I was only getting I get maybe 10 to 20 views a day. I'd get maybe 1 subscriber every couple of days, and it took quite a bit, like probably 4 or 5 months before I seen any real kind of growth on my channel. So it was like grind, but then it really took off. I had a viral video and it took off, and then that just kind of got me motivated, and then it really freaking took off. And now everyone's like, wow, like you're doing so good on YouTube, like you're killing it. I'm like, yeah, and you all made fun of me for doing it, so screw you. But yeah, goal would be to hit 2.8 to 3 million views. Long term, I'm not quite. Like long term, I think 4 to 5 million views per month. If I could get 4 to 5 million views, that is crazy. Like that's really doing well. So the thing what I do too is with whatever I make on YouTube and my other investments, that's what I put back into more investments. That's what I do. And I use my full-time job, currently full-time right now, I'd like to go part-time, a full-time job to just cover all the bills. And then on top of that, I save money per month from my job, just because my expenses are so low and that my mortgage will be paid off next year. So my mortgage is like nothing. So that allows me to save like crazy. So again, one tip I will tell you guys too, if you're trying to do well on YouTube, is to really make your video frequency high. When you're first starting out, I would never do 1 video per week, ever. I wouldn't even do 1 per day. I would try to do 3 per day. I've seen a lot of big YouTubers. I'm not talking about like 1 million, couple million subs. I'm talking about like 20, 30, 40, 50 million subs that are doing this 3 videos per day, and they're just absolutely killing it. So that's kind of where I got that from. And the thing is, if you do 1 video per week, that's 52 videos in a year. I'm doing 3 per day. It comes out to 1,100 videos in a day, or 1,100 videos in a year. 3 years, you would do 150 videos. I would do almost 3,500 videos. So it's huge, absolutely huge. But yeah, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks.